try my Ryobi today. Cool about this attachment, it's just a button here. Oh! I also dropped it in the car park at Bunnings. As soon as I got it, I just dropped the entire box on the pavement. I've had the Ryobi for like a few days now. Coming to work, I bring it, cleaning up a storm. And this is the 4 amp battery. It does chew through the 4 amp battery actually. And it's got 2 settings. You know, the power horse setting where it's like chugga chug chug, and just like a normal setting if you want to save on battery. It's got the roller setting, so if you want to turn the rollers on or off, you can. And got the attachment to just like, you know, clean up here. And it's got the brush head you can put on. Take the extender pole off, which is what I had intended to do. This is not how I pictured this going. I thought you wouldn't have to have that ridiculous long attachment. I know it's a stick vacuum, I know. But I thought you could get a smaller one and it could just be like a tiny one. Which is not why I wanted to spend 400 bucks and then stick the little extra bits like really close and then have a dustbuster. It's called the dustbuster. Oh! Remember, don't do that. You can clean the inside of the car, you can inside of your shelves. But I bought it to clean the weights. I want to vacuum the weights because I sanded them already. I wanted to vacuum up all this stuff. This is the brushless model, so that means there's no brush head inside the mechanism. It's one that's got a brush in it. It's not a sweeping brush, it's like a cog of some sort, but I don't know too much about tools. Because it doesn't have the brush mechanism spinning around in there, there's less things to break, so this should last a lot longer. Oh! 6-year warranty. I don't like to pick Ryobi stuff up secondhand too much anymore, because when you do break it, like how I broke my siphoner gun after I put too easy in it. I put some too easy in it. That one I got off Facebook. There's no warranty. So when I broke that, it was all she wrote. I like how it stands. It's self-standing. It comes with a clip so that you can put it against the wall, but self-standing. So I don't need to know about where the clip is because I've lost it. So put this bit on. That I want to use for the weights. This is the filter. It comes pre-filtered. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh, I've jammed it. Oh my goodness. The filter comes off. Just clips. And it came with 3 attachments. The brush, the crevice tool thing, the vacuum floor thing. Now that has a brush. It's a different kind of a brush. Now you can charge it. use this thing how I wanted to use it. I just do everything wrong. And now this button, you don't want to press that without holding this. What I like about this heading is it swivels. Anyway, I'm going to put it on here. This is what I wanted. This is the size of the vacuum that I wanted. This is the power button. This is like the different levels of power. You've got like a super mode, which drains the battery faster, that's really strong, and then like a normal, which is like not so strong. And then this one stops the wheels turning. I suppose Ryobi can stop thinking. The floor head's got little fluffy things in it. So when you press this, it stops the rollers rolling. I like how it twists. This is the reason I got it. If you would like to know more about this vacuum cleaner, I've only had it for a few days, and that was my first unboxing and my review and my tester, and that's what I wanted it for, and this is what I think of it after less than a week of using it. And everything is very, very tidy and clean. If you are married to someone or live with somebody with the hyperactivity, give them a power tool to clean with, because they will clean like the wind. This, everything's clean. Leave your questions in the comments, because I'm going to be using this thing every day, and I'll definitely be doing like update videos. And if you like what we are doing, as in like me, if you like what I'm doing here with this Ryobi and other Ryobis, go to the playlist that is about like reviews on power tools. One of my videos has gone viral, and if I knew it was going to go viral, I would have put more effort into it, and I would have followed through on the whole what was going to come next, because I never made that video. Please like and comment, because it makes me feel good inside. Subscribing helps me feel good about my life. I recommend this highly.